In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and give the dashboard a moment to fully load. It's important to wait until the overview page is completely ready, so everything responds properly as you work. When the dashboard is visible, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This will open the full list of campaigns currently available in your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully and locate the campaign you want to duplicate. Before making any changes, double-check that you've found the correct one. This is especially helpful if your account has several similar campaign names. Once you're sure you have the right campaign, select it by clicking either its checkbox or its name, depending on the layout you see. Then move to the menu above the campaign list and click Edit. From the drop-down options, choose Copy. At this point, Google Ads will begin copying the campaign settings, so give it a few seconds to process. After that, click the Edit menu again and choose Paste. This is the action that creates the duplicate campaign. If Google Ads asks you to choose a destination account, select the appropriate account where you want the copied campaign to be placed. Then confirm the paste action and wait for the duplicated campaign to appear in the campaign list. Once the new campaign shows up, open it so you can make final updates. The first thing you should do is rename the campaign so it's clearly different from the original. A clear name helps prevent confusion later, especially when you're reporting on results or making future edits. Next, review the campaign settings carefully. Pay close attention to the budget, targeting, keywords, and ads. Even though the campaign has been duplicated, it's still a good idea to check every important setting before launch. In many cases, a copied campaign is meant for a new audience, schedule, or goal, so this is the time to make any necessary adjustments. After you've made your changes, save everything. Then do one final review to verify that the duplicated campaign is ready to run. This final check helps make sure nothing was missed and that the new campaign is set up the way you want. Thanks for watching.